Hello, YouTube. I wasn't gonna jump on here, but I just want to jump on here because I'm trading Asia Open NKD. I didn't like the structure on this pair, so just gonna stay patient, see what happens. I'm not gonna take any premature trades. Ooh. Yeah, I'll stay on here for about 20 minutes, see if any good setup presents itself. But right now, I don't really see anything. We've pushed too far down. I would, I would want to see a break and close at 38,790. But even then, if we reach that point, it's pushed too far down. Personally, I would like buys on this trend line break right here. I would like buys on 39,005. So if we don't have that opportunity to take a buy in the next 30 minutes, I am just gonna not trade Asian session. Asian session's interesting. I think so you just have to be disciplined. If a setup doesn't present itself during Asia session with NKD, which is Japan's 225 largest companies, you just don't trade. But a lot of times NKD does offer a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and you just have to be there during those times. So we'll see. I'm tired. Let's see if we can. So I traded London session and I traded New York session today. Made profit in London, made profit in New York, so trying to end the long day with profit in the Asian session. But if no opportunity presents itself, I am not forcing a trade. The thing with NKD, I like it because it moves slower, and I dislike it because it moves slower. You can really get a nice entry just because price action is much slower, but you do have to be more patient with this pair. This trend line break to the upside would be lovely if we can just get that. Just being selective with my trades. Not taking a trade when an opportunity doesn't present itself. Making sure I am managing risk well, losing less than anticipated. Getting out when price isn't going in your direction. All these things lead to not over trading, not over leveraging. All these things are important when trading. Yeah, we could get a push here. It looks like it's pushing up. All right, we might get a trade in here. If we see a continue to push up, just gonna lower my risk just a little bit, because if we get in this, it is gonna be, has pushed so far up already that I don't want to risk too much. Goodness, buys would be amazing here. So we are staying patient for buys. I'm going in with smaller sizing than usual, just because if we do take buys, this 15-minute candle will have already pushed up so much. Nothing. Yeah, this is Asian session. Sometimes it's really good in the first 30 minutes, and other times you just gotta sit on your hands and do nothing. The pain of losing a trade is greater than the pain of missing out on a trade. Just gonna stay on here for 5 more minutes and just observe. But unless we're gonna push up above 39.10, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade. I like this trend line break. We just pushed so far down, and yeah, we're reaching a significant support level here at 38.785. So I wouldn't want to take any sells unless we break and close below this level, but even then, it's kind of risky. I just want buys. Nothing going on. Maybe we'll get something tomorrow in Asia. I think I might just hop off here. Only position I'll be looking for is buys above 39,005. Other than that, looking at the higher time frame, this 38,785 level, if you look to the left, is a very strong level of support. It doesn't make sense to risk capital with that position, but if you look at sells, even though we've been on a downtrend, this break in structure has a lot of potential to the upside. So yeah, I'm gonna hop off here. I'm not gonna be taking a trade this evening. Like I said, the only trade I'll be taking is buys above 39,010, but it doesn't look like that's happening. So I will be live streaming New York tomorrow, so I will